Good morning, students. Today's topic is this chapter second, electrostatic potential and capacitance by Prince Sharma. This is the syllabus of chapter 2. You can go through it. Today's topics, these 6 topics we are going to discuss today. First topic is electrostatic potential energy and potential energy difference. This is the diagram. See it carefully. This is a source charge plus Q, capital Q, and this is a test charge small q. We have to move this test charge small q from point R to P. As both charges have same sign, so they will repel each other. Here this test charge small q is very small as compared to this source charge capital Q. To move this test charge from point R to P, we have to apply external force. That external force must be equal and opposite to the electrostatic force applied by the source charge, so that acceleration produced will be zero. Here, work done by external force is equal and opposite to work done by electric force. External work done gets fully stored in the form of potential energy of charge Q. यहाँ पे जो आप इस टेस्ट चार्ज को R से लेकर P तक लाने के लिए जितना आप वर्क करेंगे, that work is stored in it in the form of potential energy. If external force is removed on reaching P, यदि P पॉइंट पे आके आप एक्सटर्नल फोर्स को रिमूव कर देते हैं, तो सोर्स चार्ज क्या करेगा, उस टेस्ट चार्ज को रिपेल करेगा. सो this test charge will move away from source charge from P towards R, and it will gain some kinetic energy. As it will move away, potential energy will decrease and kinetic energy will increase, so overall energy remain conserved. Sum of kinetic energy and potential energy remains conserved. This is work done by external forces in moving a charge Q from R to P is given by. वर्क डन निकालेंगे तो आपको पता है F डॉट ऐसा आएगा, फोर्स इंटू डिस्टेंस. फोर्स यहाँ पे है एक्सटर्नल फोर्स डॉट डी आर इज द स्मॉल डिस्टेंस, एंड इंटीग्रेशन फ्रॉम R to P टोटल वर्क डन आ जाएगा. एंड वी नो दैट एक्सटर्नल फोर्स इज इक्वल एंड अपोजिट टू इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स. So at the place of external force we are using minus Fe. Fe is the electric force. This work done against electrostatic repulsive force gets stored as potential energy. At every point in electric field, a particle with charge Q possesses a certain electrostatic potential energy. This work done increases its potential energy by an amount equal to potential energy difference between points R and P. Thus, potential energy difference can be written as delta U is equal to UP means potential energy at point P minus UR means potential energy at point R, and difference between these two is called delta U, change in potential energy, is equal to work done. Work done to move test charge from R to P. Then electric potential energy difference between two points in electric field of any arbitrary charge configuration. यहाँ पे आपको पता है वो दोनों पॉइंट्स कहाँ होने चाहिए, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के अंदर. और इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कौन प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है, एनी आर्बिट्रेरी चार्ज कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. किसी भी टाइप की चार्ज कॉन्फ़िगरेशन जो है वो उस इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड को प्रोड्यूस कर सकती है. दैट इज इक्वल टू वर्क डन बाय एन एक्सटर्नल फोर्स in moving charge Q from one point to another without acceleration. जितना आप एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट तक मूव करने के लिए, चार्ज को मूव करने के लिए वर्क डन करेंगे, that work done will be equal to the potential energy difference between those two points. This is given by the same equation, delta U is equal to UP minus UR is equal to WRP. Work done to move the test charge from point R to P. Next is this delta U is equal to UP minus UR is equal to WRP, same equation. This equation shows that work done by an electrostatic field in moving a charge from one point to another depends only on initial and final positions and is independent of path followed. जैसे इस इक्वेशन से क्लियर है, UP is the potential energy at point P, UR is the potential at point R, and we are not talking about the path. So this is equal to, this is independent of path followed. So electrostatic force is a conservative force in nature. This thing you have studied in class 11. The force is said to be conservative if work done by it is independent of path followed. It depends only on its initial position and final position, not on the path followed. Okay, there is one another definition of conservative forces. If work done along the closed path is zero, then that force is called conservative force. Potential energy of charge Q at a point in electric field due to any charge configuration is work done by external force. External force कितनी होनी चाहिए? Equal and opposite to electric force in bringing the charge Q from infinity to that point. Then वही है जहाँ पॉइंट आप R यूज कर रहे थे, R की जगह अब इन्फिनिटी टू पॉइंट आएगा, तो W infinity P is equal to UP minus U infinity, and the potential energy at infinity is considered zero, so it is equal to UP, potential energy at point P. Here we consider that electrostatic potential energy is zero at infinity. Next topic is electric potential. Electric potential is a physical quantity that determines the degree of electrification of a body. Electric potential at a point in the electric field is defined as the work done in moving a unit positive charge from infinity to that point against electrostatic force irrespective of path followed without any acceleration. ये सेम जो अभी हमने चीज़ डिस्कस की, इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एट ए पॉइंट, आपने किसी पॉइंट पे इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल फाइंड करना है और वो पॉइंट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के अंदर होना चाहिए, तो वो इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल किसके इक्वल होता है? दैट इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल इज इक्वल टू amount of work done to move unit positive charge from infinity to that point against electrostatic force without any acceleration. ठीक है, इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल मीन्स अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क डन टू मूव यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज फ्रॉम इंफिनिटी टू दैट पॉइंट. इट इज डिनोटेड बाय V. इट इज ए स्केलर क्वांटिटी. अकॉर्डिंग टू डेफिनेशन इसका फॉर्मूला जो है, V इज इक्वल टू वर्क डन W infinity to that point upon Q naught charge to be brought. SI unit of electric potential is volt, denoted by capital V, or joule per coulomb or Newton meter per coulomb. Define 1 volt. इस फॉर्मूले को आप देखेंगे तो फॉर्मूले से V की जगह आ जाएगा 1 वोल्ट, वर्क डन की जगह आ जाएगा 1 कूलम और चार्ज की जगह आ जाएगा, वर्क डन की जगह आएगा 1 जूल और चार्ज की जगह आएगा 1 कूलम. तो 1 V इज इक्वल टू 1 J अपॉन 1 C, 1 वोल्ट. इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एट एनी पॉइंट इज 1 वोल्ट इफ 1 जूल ऑफ वर्क इज डन इन मूविंग 1 कूलम ऑफ चार्ज फ्रॉम इंफिनिटी टू दैट पॉइंट इन द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. This is another formula. We know that potential, electric potential का formula V is equal to W infinity V upon Q naught, work upon charge. तो work का formula यहाँ पे जब इसको आप further solve करेंगे, you will get the answer 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R. This is the formula of electric potential, which we will derive later on. Next is electric potential difference. Practically, electric potential is nothing. Main thing is electric potential difference. Electric potential difference between any 2 points in the electric field is defined as the work done in moving a unit positive charge from one point to other against electrostatic force irrespective of the path followed without any acceleration. सेम चीज़ है, यहाँ भी आपको यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज को मूव करना है. पिछले केस में इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल के केस में आप यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज को मूव कर रहे थे इन्फिनिटी टू ए पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट, और यहाँ पे हमने मूव करना है फ्रॉम वन पॉइंट टू अदर पॉइंट. तो यहाँ पे हम 2 पॉइंट्स को आपस में कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. इट इज आल्सो स्केलर क्वांटिटी, इट्स एसआई यूनिट इज आल्सो वोल्ट, कैपिटल वी से डिनोट करते हैं. सेम थिंग, इट्स फॉर्मूला इज VB माइनस VA इज इक्वल टू डेल्टा V. ठीक है, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बिटवीन 2 पॉइंट्स इज इक्वल टू WAB, वर्क डन टू मूव द चार्ज, यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज फ्रॉम A to B अपॉन Q नॉट. Q नॉट इज दैट चार्ज टू बी मूव्ड. Electric potential and potential difference both are scalar quantities. Electric potential at infinity is 0. Electric potential near an isolated positive charge, जहाँ पे Q greater than 0 होगा, is positive, and near an isolated negative charge Q less than 0 होगा, then electric potential is negative. CGS unit of electric potential is stat volt. तो आप स्टैट वोल्ट को कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, फॉर्मूला वही रहेगा, वर्क डन अपॉन चार्ज. तो स्टैट वोल्ट इज इक्वल टू वर्क डन का सीजीएस यूनिट होता है अर्ग, और चार्ज का सीजीएस यूनिट होता है स्टैट कूलम. तो 1 स्टैट वोल्ट इज इक्वल टू 1 अर्ग पर स्टैट कूलम. नेक्स्ट, दिस इज अ न्यूमेरिकल. 5 जूल वर्क इज डन in moving a positive charge of 0.5 coulomb between 2 points. What is the potential difference between these 2 points? Potential difference निकालना है, work is given and charge to be moved is given. And this is the formula. Potential difference between 2 points is equal to work done per unit charge to be moved. Put the value and solve, you will get the answer 10 volt. Next is electric potential due to a single point charge. This is a source charge plus Q producing electric field E vector moving away from the charge outwards, and this is a test charge plus Q naught placed on this line experiencing force Q naught E. This test charge is placed at point P, which is at a distance x from source charge. This is point Q and point B. Point B is at a distance r from source charge, and point P is at a distance x. Distance between P and Q is dx. Here it is very clear that this test charge will experience force Q naught E radially outwards, but we have to move this test charge Q naught from point P to Q without acceleration, so we have to apply equal and opposite force to it. Then we have to, external force must be equal to minus Q naught E. So work done to move Q naught test charge from point P to Q through small distance dx against the force Q naught E is given by small work done dW is equal to F dx is equal to Q naught E dot dx. और डॉट प्रोडक्ट हटाएंगे तो यहाँ पे दोनों के बीच में एंगल 180 cos 180 minus 1, you will get minus Q naught E dx. Put the value of E. E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon x square. Then total work done to move the charge from infinity to B. Take the integration and solve it. Finally we will get this is the answer. Work done upon charge निकालेंगे, so that is equal to potential V is equal to Q upon